Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this beautiful 10 watts LOFTEK pool light. We can power it into 110 volts, but after that it's converted into 12 volts, so you don't have to be worried about high voltage. It comes with a remote control, but we have also Bluetooth included, and it comes with a free app, so we have a lot of different settings. Comes also with a very long cord, flexible mount, so we have pretty much everything what we need. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get, and then how you can use it outside in the pool. And so here's the box with some more information here on the side. But let's open the package, see what we get. Everything comes nicely organized. And so we have the light here on top, we have the remote control, we get even this sealant fix, and we have the long cable, we have the power supply, and even some installation material. And of course comes with a large user manual describing everything in detail. And here's some more information about how to use it, how to use the remote control, how to use the app. The extension cord is separated into two parts. So we have quite some cable between the power supply, which we need to put into 110 volts, and the receiver, which we have to keep out of the water, of course. So we can place this close to the pool. But from here, the remaining part with the whole length here is totally waterproof, of course, including the light as well. Here you can also see how it looks underneath. We have this mounting plate which we can use. So if you can attach it to the wall and then just slide the light on top of it. You can see has then a nice hold, but you can remove it at any time again. The remote control comes already with battery inserted, so we just have to remove this protection here and push it back. And so let's plug it in, and the light starts then automatically, and it's very, very bright. Definitely too bright for this camera, so I reduce the brightness here. You can see very easy. The camera is a little bit struggling. When I hold this a little bit closer, you can see more how this looks. So we have the different colors. For example, here these direct colors, super easy to use. You don't have to use an app if you don't like. Or we can use the white light again, turn it off and turn it on again. And even though the remote control has a light, it's not using infrared actually. Can see that I can fully cover it and still turn it on and off. So that's very convenient. So you don't have to point the remote control towards the receiver. That's also a great plus. But of course, for the full function, we have to scan the QR code or download the Lotus Lantern app directly from the Play Store or Apple App Store. So here I scan this. And so here's the app, for example, in the Google Play Store, so we can download and install it. So let's open the app. Of course, we have to accept all the authorizations, but it was actually just one, and so we don't have to make an account. We are directly here in the control. This is something which I really like. So you don't have to use your email, no phone number, no nothing. Directly goes here into the app. But to connect, we have to give one more permission. And so the permission which we have to give is the search for nearby devices. So we click on allow and then go back to the app, and then the warning is removed. And so let's try if we can turn it on. You can see there is actually no specific connection needed, no special pairing, no password. We have direct access to this light already. That's absolutely awesome. Watch this thing, how nicely we can adjust the light. But of course we have also a lot of special functions. For example, the music control. And of course here also we have to give the authorization to access music and audio on this device. And so we can choose a sound and then play directly here. And of course we have many more options. For example, different styles here with this strobe flashlight. You can increase, decrease speed, brightness. We have so many options. Watch this thing here. What we have, almost endless options here. We also have a microphone which you can use to listen. So this is then just reacting on my voice, or you can use it at your pool party, play some music, and then it will exactly lit up in the rhythm of your music. We even have scheduling and other adjustments. By the way, I've already been using that for our first pool party and it worked absolutely awesome. People loved this thing, especially the blue color. Blue looks absolutely fantastic. It's a really beautiful blue. It's very bright. We even left it on just on the blue for a longer time. Looked absolutely amazing. This really beautiful blue, but also color changing mode was really nice. It was very easy to plug in, set up, put in the pool. We just used it with a temporary installation. We still need to figure out where we will put it permanently, but definitely worked. There was absolutely no water inside. What I noticed that it is floating on its own. There is some air inside of the light which keeps it floating. So if you want to use it submerged, you really have to attach it to the wall down there. But definitely an absolute beauty of a pool light, and so I can highly recommend it. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.